Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to see what is the Doji, what is this basic candle. It's one of the most common and easy to understand, I think. It's a candle that is basically a plus, is something that opens and closes at the same price. So maybe it wobbles a bit up and down, but it opens and closes at the same level. It means that there is kind of an equilibrium between buyers and sellers. And so if we use this as a tool to understand the wider market, we have kind of a tip, a suggestion that the market is telling us about the future and the current state. For example, if we see that there is a strong bull market and then we see this candle, then maybe it's telling us that it's not going up as strongly. So a potential reversal signal and an equilibrium of buyers and sellers. So it really appears everywhere, often at the support and resistance levels, but you will see it in many situations and it's telling us many things. So you really the time frame and the context is extremely important, because that is really where you want to understand and use it. It really depends on the time frame and the context. Alone is not telling us basically anything other than this equilibrium. Alone, it doesn't really have much predictive power, and it does require confirmation and watching out how our theory plays out. So it can be used for in many ways. So let's see in the market. Like, this presentation is nice, but come on, let's see the market. Let's see how it plays out. So this is the S&P 500 right now, and we can see a couple of candles, especially here in the end. For example, we can see this. This is a clear doji, and it's present at the end of a fairly strong bull market. So it's going up, then it's going up even stronger, then a little bit less, and then doji. So if we see this, it's actually telling us, well, it's not going up as strongly. It's also near the maximum of the other candles here. So it's really kind of a resistance that it's hitting. So end of a bull market, hitting a resistance, a doji. The suggestion that the market is telling us with the doji is that it's kind of at a point where it either goes over the resistance and it goes up and it goes up, or maybe it's a reversal. In this case, maybe a reversal, and in fact it went down. Now, it's not something that happens always. Like, it's not something guaranteed. Doji is just one of many tools that you can have to help you, but we don't have a crystal ball. We don't know exactly where the market is going. But this is a doji. This is how it works. For example, another one here, same thing. This is a little bit different. There is a little bit longer down, then it goes up. It's another type of suggestion. For example, that, well, maybe it's going up. But yes, this is how what is a doji candle, and I hope you will find it useful. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.